I like to apply it on my hand first and then going through my hair. You can see that on this side of my hair, just that little bit really gives the hair some shine, some definition, and it really kind of springs the waves back into my hair. Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Keasling and I'm the Biolage Artistic Director for the United States. One thing I am incredibly passionate about is healthy hair. I'm gonna go over with you today how to identify if your hair needs a recovery treatment. So there's a couple key ways to identify if you need a recovery treatment or you have damage to your hair. And one of them is when you have dry, brittle hair. Be conscious of your area in your vanity. Do you see small pieces of hair after you've been brushing? That's probably a sign that as you're brushing, the hair is so brittle that it is actually breaking off. Another sign of damage can be tangles in your hair. So if you have long hair and it is now abnormally tangling through your mid-lengths and ends, this could mean that you're really lacking moisture. A third sign of damage would be frizz or flyaways. If you are going out into a humid environment and all of a sudden your hair is getting incredibly frizzy, what it is doing is it's screaming for moisture. Another sign of damage is hair loss. So a lot of the times we're constantly treating the hair, but we need to be treating our scalp as well. You know, by providing a really healthy scalp environment, you're going to prevent hair loss and also really be able to start growing new hair. Lastly, split ends and hair breakage, patches of short hair. These are all signs that your hair is lacking moisture, lacking protein, and is damaged. So what is the answer to damaged hair? Strength recovery from Biolage. In this system, we have shampoo, conditioner, we have our leave-in spray, and our deep treatment pack. So I'm gonna walk you through how these can improve your hair. Strength Recovery shampoo in the entire line is a paraben-free vegan formula that's infused with squalane, which is going to fortify the hair and give it strength from the inside out. Really think about the 3 S's: shampoo, scalp, and stimulation. So you want to apply your shampoo mostly on your fingertips and really get your fingertips into your scalp and stimulate that blood flow, and also you're cleansing your scalp. So we're creating this beautiful rich lather with this shampoo, and when you go to rinse your hair, your impurities are just going to go down the drain with the lather of the shampoo. Don't focus so much on shampooing your mid-lengths and ends. Focus on stimulating that shampoo into your scalp. Think SSS, and that is how you're going to have best practices to use your shampoo. The next step is going to be conditioning your hair. While we are in the shower, the best way to actually get your hair to absorb the conditioner is to towel dry your hair. So bring a hand towel in, washcloth, anything like that. And after you rinse your shampoo out of your hair, towel dry your hair. Then you will apply your conditioning cream or your deep treatment pack, depending on the amount of moisture or hydration that your hair needs. The cream is a daily use and gives you a great detangling. Your hair is a sponge though, so if it's full of water, it's not gonna wanna absorb that conditioning cream. The treatment pack is great because it's going to give you a very deep, intense conditioning treatment, left on for about 3 to 5 minutes. So again, towel drying that hair, putting the deep treatment pack on. I like to use a wet brush or some type of large tooth comb to really work these products in. Leave them on till the end of the shower and then rinse. Last but certainly not least is our hero product of this line, and this is our strength repairing spray. So this wonderful spray can be used both on wet and dry hair. It's got complete heat protection in it, and it helps to detangle. So if I was applying this on my hair right out of the shower, on my wet hair, I would definitely just spray a generous amount, take a large tooth comb, distribute this product evenly. That's gonna help protect your hair from the heat of your hairdryer. On dry hair, this is a wonderful product as well. It's gonna provide conditioning into the hair and some beautiful shine. I like to apply it on my hand first, and then going through my hair. You can see that on this side of my hair, just that little bit really gives the hair some shine, some definition, and it really kind of springs the waves back into my hair. In my professional opinion though, if you want the most healthy hair that we can provide, definitely check out our strength recovery system. Shampoo your scalp, condition your mid-lengths and ends, do your deep weekly treatment pack, and use your repair spray on both dry and wet hair. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you check out Hair.com for more product information, for styling tutorials, for tips and tricks on how to use some of these products, and find me on Instagram at Danielle.Keasling. So until next time, thanks again so much for tuning in.